to my channel. Today's video is gonna be me making a Taco Bell Crunchwrap. Now, I seen this video on Delish, like the Delish website or whatever, somewhere on Facebook probably. You know, how to make a Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. And I thought I wanted to try it out because, you know, Taco Bell has always been a favorite of mine. If you want to know how I did that, keep watching. So here we got the ground beef, the shredded cheese. I also use canned nacho cheese, but I didn't show it here. Sour cream, lettuce, tomato, tostada shell, little tortillas, big tortillas, and the seasonings. Don't forget the seasonings. That's essential, guys. That's essential. By the way, I'm sure you guys can already tell, I'm not really measuring these seasonings. I'm kind of just eyeballing in. This whole measuring thing, you know, I ain't got time for that, so yeah. Tray full of stuff that I gotta do, or not do, but I gotta cut up my tomatoes. And then I forgot to show this earlier, but I got this Juanita's nacho cheese. And yeah, let's get this bad boy rolling here. If you like this video, don't forget to actually like it with the like button, give it a thumbs up, and to subscribe to my channel for more content. I really appreciate your guys' support.
Oh my gosh, it's delicious. Okay.
It's good.
It takes this lifeline.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on if you want to see more content. I know I look kind of greasy and ratchet right now, but sometimes I do my makeup, and if you want to see those kind of videos too, you know, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, because I do my makeup and stuff like that. I'll be posting more recipe testing type stuff in the future. If you have any suggestions, please you know, contact me via Twitter, Instagram, in the comments. You know, there's all kinds of different ways. Pick one, you know what I'm saying? Excuse my background. I know my little pantry shelf situation's very unorganized, but you know, kids. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, you want to say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi. It's my niece. My niece Isabella. You Princess Isabella? Okay. All right, bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Y'all, I think I messed this one up because when I set him down, he kind of unfolded, but he's still cute though.